How Dutch sounds to a non-Dutch speaker.
Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen.
Trok van bladse groffelijk verlongd spreek van dolste klafrom ten trik valse brofsik minkrot zelbrak trontin van exproket dorfik klintrok blamser fotlen kramfik. Vuilstok brinvolk dat stroom klaftek frofle strikvak molfren dontek trok van basle spreeknoot valsrik dren voor stomtek blorfinjen krot stolfik blamtak voltren.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.